Okay, let's move to the sixth question. Okay, in here, manufacturing assembly has a cylindrical tank, radius 1.5, height is 3, connected to a conical hopper, radius 1.5, height is 2. Let's change this 1.5 as 1 meter. Let's take this as 1 meter. 1 meter. In the A part, find the total height of the assembly. Before you go into solve any kind of a question, okay, before you go into solve any kind of a question, you have to draw a figure. Clear? You have to draw a figure, a rough figure. No need to draw into a scale law. Just a figure is enough. It's like this, no? Because manufacturing cylindrical tank. This is the cylindrical tank. Cylindrical tank. This is the conical hopper. Conical hopper. Okay. In here, the diameter is, sorry, not the diameter, the radius. Radius has been given as 1.5 meters. This is 1.5 meters, and here also should be 1.5 meters because it's a cylinder. Here also 1.5 meter. Here it should be 1 meter because I changed it to 1 meter. Otherwise, the option will be wrong. Then let's mark the height 3. Height is here is for cylinder it is for cylinder it is 3. Cylinder it is 3, and for this one it is 2 meters. So 3 meters. The answer for the first one is they asked the height, no? They asked about the height. Then what we have to do is we have to add these two height. That means height of cylinder plus height of conical hopper. Conical hopper. The answer should be 3 meter plus 2 meter. It is 5 meter. It is 5 meter. Then let's move to the second part. Second question. Otherwise, part B. Then calculate the combined volume. Calculate the combined volume. In here, the combined volume should be equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. Okay, by using the formula, we can easily find the volume of the cylinder. No? That is the equation of the formula is phi r h. We can substitute the value for this phi r. But when we consider about this cone or the conical shape, that is going to be a bit complicated, no? Bit complicated. So what we have to do is in here you can see this is a truncated cone, no? It's a truncated cone. That means what's mean by truncated cone? A cone which is made by removing a conical shape. That means this part has been removed. This part has been removed. So how to find the volume of this truncated part? Volume of this truncated part. Yeah. We have the data. Huh? from here to here, the radius is 1.5 meter. The perpendicular height is so perpendicular height. It's actually we don't know the perpendicular height from bottom to the this point, but from here to here we know this as 2 meter. But from here to here we don't know the height. I will take it as x. Okay, I will go to take it as x. From here to here we know that it is 1 meter. So what I'm doing is I'm drawing a triangle like this. I'm drawing a triangle like this. So I move this triangle to outside and I will draw it like this. I will do it like this. The actually to make this calculation, we have to first of all we have to find the volume of this cone. But in some occasion, you won't have any idea about how to deal with this type of question. No? So in that occasion, you have to just write the formula and think how to do this. Okay, think how to do this. Actually, I know how to do this because I have done thousands of questions like this. But in your scenario, most probably you won't have any idea. What you have to do is you have first of all you have to draw the figure and you have to write the formula. Okay, write the formula. Then after that you can think how to substitute to this formula. Now I'm doing the substitution part. Okay. Then this is 90-degree angle. Actually, we have done plenty of calculation from this. Okay. So I'm sure now you can now you know how to calculate this. The thing is, first of all, we have to find out the path we have which we are going to which we are going to do. In here, we know this height and this radius are proportional. No? This height and this radius are proportional. First of all, I'm going to consider this triangle, and this is the height is x, and the radius is 1 meter. So I'm going to divide x by 1, and this is going to equal, or this is make equal to the height of this big triangle. Now I'm writing formula for this big triangle. Then the actually from here to here it is 2 meters, and from here to it is 6 meters. So what we can do? So what is the expression we can write for the total height? We can add this 2 meter for this x. This is simple. 2 meter for this x and 1 divided by 1.5. 1.5. Then we can do the cross multiplication. Can do this cross multiplication. From here to here it is 1.5x, and when I multiply 2x by 1, it is just 2 plus x, 2 plus x. So now we have to find out the x. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move this x to left side. Okay, to isolate this to 1.5x minus x equals to 1.5x minus x equals to this is now this is I don't think you are familiar with this type of calculations. No? I will give a very simple method. No? Very simple method. Think like this. There's a biscuit. There's a biscuit, and there's a half of this biscuit. There is a biscuit, and there's a half of this biscuit. So, what we are going to do is we are going to eat. It's mean uh, total one means you are going to eat this one. You are going to eat this one. That means you have 1.5 biscuit. I think now you have 1.5 biscuit. How it become 1.5? This is 1. This is half. This is 1 and this is half. By adding this 1 and half, you get 1.5. That's how you get 1.5 biscuit. And you are going to eat this one. Okay, you are going to eat this one. Actually, this remaining part is this. You are going to remain half of that biscuit. That means 0.5x equals to. Then obviously, what we have to do to make this x as the subject, we have to divide the both side by 5. Here it's remain x and 2 divided by 0.5 means it is 4. From here to it is 4 meter. Okay, I will give this is method 1 and I will give you another method. This is genius. Okay, 1.5 x minus x equals to. So now you can see this x are common for this side as well as this side, no? So what we can do? I can factorize this one. I can factorize. What I'm going to do is I will write 1.5 minus 1 and I'm going to write it within bracket and take x to the out and make it equals to 2. If you are not sure, if you are not sure what you have written, you can just multiply 1.5 into x means 1.5x minus 1 multiplied by x means minus x. So 1.5 minus x means it is become 0.5 x equals to. Now you can see these are similar. No? You can use say that one of these method, but this is not finished. It's not finished. Now you have to find the volume. No? Okay. Now I'm going to draw a cone. This is the upper part and this is the lower part. And in your case, this part is removed. No? This part is removed. So how I can find the volume of this remaining part? That's only one method. What I have to do is I have to find the total volume. Okay, total volume of this big cone, and I can minus the volume of this small cone. This is a small cone. This is the big cone. The whole one is big cone. Big cone. So how to find the area volume? How to find the volume? 1/3 of phi r squared into h minus 1/3 of phi r is going to h. Okay. Then I will write R1, this is R2, and this is H1, and this is H2. Now you can see this 1/3 are common, no? 1/3 and 5 are common. Then I'm going to take 1/3 5 to the out and R1. R1 means that this 1.5 meter because I'm going to minus the volume of this big cone by this small cone. This 1 meter. This 1 meter. And okay, then 1.5 meter squared into h mean I found this as 4 and this part is 2 and this part is 4 and the total height should be 6, 6. And minus R2 mean 1 meter square minus h mean should be 2, should be 2. Now I'm going to simplify. Here it's come 2.25 into 6. 2.25 into 6. 2.25 was taken by multiplying or the taking the square of 1.5. It's 2.25 into 6 means 13.5 minus 13.5 minus here it is multiplication. Okay, it's multiplication by 2 by 2. Then remaining part is 135 11.5 135 11.5. Now I'm going to let's take the final value from here. 1.5 divided by 3. So I'm going to okay, 11.5 divided by 3. 11.5 5 divided by 3. Now I'm going to take here 11.5 5 divided by 3. Here is 5r squared h. Volume of cylinder. R mean it is 1.5, it is same, and the height is 2. 5 1.5 square. We have to substitute this with units. Okay, with units. 5 meter square, which means 2 meter plus 11.55 divided by 3. Here it is 4.5. That means 1.5 square means 2.25 into 2 means 4.5 plus this one 11.5 divided by 3. Okay, I will get the final answer. It is 25.65. 65 cubic meter. 25.65 cubic meter. The total calculation. Then let's see part. See what is the total surface area? What is the total surface area? Total surface area. So we can find the surface area of cylinder directly by substituting to the equation. But first of all, let's find the surface area of cone or the conical surface area. Conical surface area. So what we have to do is we have to find the surface area of this big cone and we have to subtract it by the small cone. That's the only way we can do. Here is 1.5 meters. Here is 2 meter. Here it is 4 meter. And this is 1 meter. Okay. The formula we use to find the surface area is phi RL. No? Phi RL. L means the slanted height. Slanted height. Slanted height means if you are drawn a triangle, from here to here it is 2, from here to here it is 4, and this is the slanted height. This is the L or the slanted height. Here it is 1, here it is 1 meter, here it is 1.5 meters. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, you can find out this one. You can find out this one. I'm going to name this as from here to here. I'm going to name it as L1, and from here to here L2. From here to here. Then I can write. You should know this is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Then I'm going to write 4 square plus 1 square equal L1 square. First comment is 16 plus 1 equals L1 square. This is L equal square root of 70. Square root of 70. So let's see what is the square root of 70. It is 4.123 meters. It's 4.123 meters. Let's find the this is L1. Let's find the L2. To find the L2, I have to put the Pythagoras theorem of the whole triangle, and the hypotenuse line should be subtracted by L1. Then 6 meter. 6 meter means the total height. Okay, this total height. 6 meter. Now I'm going to remove this unit. 6 plus here it is 1.5 square. 1.5 square mean, yeah, here it is 1.5 square. Plus I will write L1 plus L2 square. L1 plus L2 square. Here it is 36 plus 2.25 equals L1 plus L2 square. Then L1 plus L2 should be equal to, here is 38.25 square. 38.25. It is 6.18 meters. So we know that L1 is equal to this much, and L1 plus L2 is equal to this much. So we can easily find L2. Then L2 equals 6.18 meters minus 4.12. So I'm going to subtract with this square root. The L2, the correct answer is 2.061 meters. Let's see whether I think L2 is not needed. But let's see. So to find the surface area, of conical sphere, so conical part equals, I'm going to I'm going to substitute this phi RL to this whole conical area. Whole conical area. That means phi R. I'm going to write phi R L1 plus L2. L1 plus L2. That means for this whole conical surface, and I'm going to subtract this part. I'm going to subtract this part. Then this is going to be subtracted by pi r L1. Pi r L1. This is R1, this is R2. Otherwise, it's misleading. Then 5 R means for week 1, it is 1.5 meters. Is 1.5 meters. Then L1 plus L2, the answer was 6.18 meters. 18 meter subtracted by 5. R2 means this small one, 1 meter. Then L1 was how much? 4.12. 4.12 meters. 4.12 meters. Let's see the value. 1.5 multiplied by 6.18 and going to multiply it by 5, and this be added for this 5 into 1 4.1. The answer is 42.06 surface area, no? Square meter. 42.06 square meter. Now we have to find the total surface area. Then I'm going to find the surface area of cylinder. Surface area of cylinder. Then 25 R 25 R 2 into 5 into R mean radius, it is 1.5 meter. L means the height. L means the height. How much is the height? It is 3 meters. No? Height is 3 meters. From here to here, that means 1.5 into 3 means 4.5, and by 2 means 9, and 9, 5. 9, 5. 9, 5 means 28.27. 27 square meter. Then I'm going to add this and this. That means total surface area. Total surface area equals 28.27. 27 square meter plus 42.06 square meter. It is 70.33 square meter. This is the answer.